Continuing on our journey, we arrive at the village of Tanchachin, where you can hire a rowboat and go up the river Tamul to reach the Tamul waterfall. It is forbidden to use motors so as not to pollute the blue waters of the river. The journey to the waterfall rivals the beauty of the waterfall itself. The Tamul waterfall is striking and one of the most impressive of the state of San Luis Potosi. With a roar heard thundering from miles away, the jewel of La Huasteca plummets over 100 meters from the Gallinas River to join the water of the Tamul. Close to the waterfall, we visited an enormous cave filled with crystal waters about 8 meters deep. Next to Tanchachin and 1 hour from the waterfall is an arched rock formation also called the Bridge of God. Formed by erosion through thousands of years, millions of liters of water has opened a tunnel in the rocks and formed a natural bridge. This wonder of nature is a marvel for foreigners and locals alike. If you let it, the otherworldly colors of the stalactites, combined with the bright vegetation and the glow of the turquoise water, can take your mind to another dimension.